mates? Welcome back. Booyah Tuesday, Crypto Leverage Trading Group. We're BNB right now on Binance. Checking it out. Look at the trade update here. Obviously, we've been in this trade and out of this trade a few times since Friday. Last two entry calls, you can see the first entry call late last week from below $425 all the way to ran all the way to $500. We already covered that trade. You can check it back, test it in the previous videos on the video log on the YouTube channel. Second entry call was 480 up to 505. You can see that, as well as currently now the last trade you would have followed if you were in our Discord or communicating with me or having a trading session with me in the last 3 or 4 days. You would have seen this. We would have talked about this particular, and I'm going to give you a little insight update right now on something you should be paying attention to. But from the $500 level, call entry number 3, sell down. That would be a put, okay? If you're from the stock option world, that would be a short, okay? You're betting on the value to decline, okay? Simple explanation. From the 500 level, which was up here, why do we enter the trade at the 500 level, peeps? Because we tapped that 70 level, okay? A lot of times we like to get through that 70 level, obviously, but you also have to take into account what the historical trailing relative strength index averages are for the particular asset. Now, for BNB, we had seen it hit 70 before and come down. 70 before, come down. That's why, okay? There's the pattern set you want to think about. Could it have gone to 80? Absolutely. But you've got to look at the market, you've got to look at the probability, and you've got to look at how that asset relates and correlates to the overall market. What's happening with Bitcoin oftentimes drives what happens to Binance coin, okay? So you have to know what was happening with Bitcoin on that particular moment, right? Bitcoin was down, was starting to trend back down, okay? And now we're coming here. So you look at that. $500 entry, sell down, 3x leverage, 24.68% right now. It's actually more than that because now it's at below 462. 5x, 41%, 10x, 82%, 25x, 205%. Why do I tell you all of those different leverages? Because, mates, it's up to you to determine what your comfort is in leverage trading. If you want to go in 50x, 100x, okay, good luck. That's fine. There are people who do that every day. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I don't use 100x, okay? But I've also been doing this for a few years, all right? So if you're new to crypto, new to like this, don't let some hikester try to take your money and try and get you to freaking trade all these trades, at 100x, okay? Like, start, learn to earn, okay? And what I show you here is you don't need to go all in with these high leverages in order to win. You don't. You simply need to know first what you're looking at on a technical and on-chain basis to make your call. Once you dial that in, you can use whatever leverage you want that's comfortable for you. Don't let someone else tell you what leverage you should be using, okay? You determine your own leverage in your comfort. Why? Because each leverage rate has a very specific and different ratio liquidation rate. The higher you go in leverage, the shorter time frame you have to make a winning trade, okay? Because you'll get liquidated. The smaller your leverage, like 1x, 3x, 5x, the longer liquidation path you have above or below you in order for your trade to be successful, okay? Now, what I want to tell you right now about Binance coin, okay? And if you've missed these trades, you're not part of my group. You're not having set call sessions, mentoring sessions with me. You're just catching this YouTube right now today on Tuesday, the 18th of January. Watch Binance coin. Why do you want to watch Binance coin? Because Binance coin is about ready to fall in to what I call the accumulation zone. That means if you are bullish on Binance coin, that's when you want to start adding tokens to your spot bag, okay? You never want to buy above RSI 30, okay? Even for spot, okay? And you have to look at back here, it's fallen to like below 20, but that was during the dump, okay? So you want to watch this for the next buy up entry for Binance coin,